Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on or turn off separate app sound on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on sounds and vibration. Scroll down the sounds and vibration page until you get to separate app sound. Play media sound from one app on different audio device. Click on that. Then you should say separate app sound. Make sure you choose an audio device that is different from your main audio output device. Now to turn on separate app sound, just toggle this on. Then you should say select an app and audio device. Then here, let's say select the other device you want to use for the selected apps. So here, if you have a Bluetooth device connected, select Bluetooth or choose phone. Then hit the back button. And then this is your application. If you want to change the app, just come here, select the application and select the supported application here. Otherwise, go ahead and click on add apps and then hang on. Select the application you want to use here and then add it to the application. Then once you select it, hit the back button and I should say the audio device is phone. Now, when next you play any sound on this application, this selected application is going to use your phone as the audio device and there you are good. So that's exactly how to turn on separate app sound on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.